don't know whether you remember any of what I told you in the first session, first day. You've been listening to that, advices or messages and all that from the day of birth till today. You'll be hearing all this, and we take only what we want, and we probably. So I talked about how to, Rikakai part, how to find purpose in your life, right? So there are 4 things I mentioned. One is you should know what you enjoy most. Second is what you're good at. And third is what is the need of the world. The fourth is how you can make a living. So basically, Kakai is about the convergence of all the 4. I mean, you have a purpose. So you might enjoy programming, right? Next is, are you good at that? Right? The third is, what is it that you can do with this interest in programming as well as your skill in programming to build a better world? Right? The third is, out of building all this, are you able to make a living out of that? And if you are able to do that, then our life becomes purposeful, meaningful. Because whatever we build, it touches the people around us. Right? And you are able to get that positive feedback into our lives, and then we are able to enjoy our life much more purposeful. Otherwise, what happens, we do a lot of things, and at the end of our life, we think, okay, how do I think? What is the meaning of my doing all this? So, when you're around, when you're looking around, when you're working, you will come across problems, you will come across opportunities. So, see what you can build in those opportunities using what you have learned here and what you'll be learning on. So, come up with solutions or ideas which can build a better world, so that you become a contributor. Right? And I wish each one of you the very best as you go ahead. And I also wanted to say a few things about what we do here. You would have seen a lot of other kids also learning here, right? So we have a full stack public program that is not sponsored by a company, but individuals who are looking to build a career in IT. They may be from non-computer science stream, maybe mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics or whatever stuff, or they could be also computer science graduates. Anyone who is looking to start a job as a full stack developer, we have an integrated 4 months program. So it's a very elaborate, a very well thought out design. I would say it is a better design than the MIT full stack development program. Because I know what the MIT full stack development program is, and what I know what our program is. You mentioned about the design of the course and how we reuse the components to do all this stuff. So all those things, elements are there also. So there, this program, what we have is the first 10 days we assume you know nothing about programming. In your case, we assume you at least know something. So even if you are a civil engineer, you can come. The first 10 days they will learn basic programming, and using Python they will do that. And not to teach them Python, the idea is to get them to know what programming is, how to approach programming, what is the logic to be used, and things like that. So 10 days they will learn a very good foundation. If they have no idea about programming at all, they can just come in there. Next 10 days you had a database training for about a week's time. And our SQL normal cycle is about 12 days, double the time. So even someone who is a little slow in learning can pick up, they will develop an SQL case study there. Then they will again have a front-end design workshop for about a week's time. So all these 3 components forms a foundation. Basically they have not got into it. So that 30 days they have a foundation. And after that they have a 3 months of specialization in technology stack or full stack development, either in Java, full stack that is core Java, advanced Java, JTV, Spring Hibernate, and Angular, or .NET or Python. And they will do 4 projects as part of that 3 months of training. In your case, you will be going back and doing a project in Nissan because of shortage of time. We said that we will probably do that. So this is a very good program for those of your friends who may be looking for a job. I mean, you will have a job and your friends may be struggling, and some people you go to the wrong place, and then they get disappointed. And practically every person who comes here walks out of the job. So last batch we had 16 people, 15 are already placed. Previous batch we had 24 or 24 were placed. The previous batch it was 25, 23 got placed. And one or two people who don't get placed are people who decide that they don't want to do it. This is not their cup of tea. Not because opportunities are not there, not because companies don't want to hire. Sometimes people know that when you do something, this is not what you do want to do in life. So they decide to not do it. So those of your friends or relatives, anyone who are looking for who are completed their engineering in any stream, or MSc Computer Science or MC, or BSc Computer Science or BSc. This is the minimum qualification. And second, they should be having interest to be a software engineer. If they have these two, then they can apply. They have an online application process. I do an interview to check whether we are able to place them, and if I have a hunch that 90%, it is assured, 90% perspective that we will be able to train this person, we take them. And you can recommend this program to your friends. And its moderately priced at about 63,000 rupees to be paid in 4 installments. I'm giving you so much detail so that you will be well informed. The comparable price for MIT program is 5.7 lakh rupees. I'm not joking. The MIT program, the same program doesn't cover all of this. It costs about 5.7 lakh rupees. So they can recover this money in 2 months at max. If you get to a company like Nissan, probably a month's salary. That's all they will be paying. And please do be an ambassador for our training, so that people who are looking for a job, we are doing it not as a business, we are doing it as a purpose. That we want to help as many people as possible to support themselves and their families, and that's why we do it. So do refer this program to your friends. And so be an ambassador. I hope all of you will do that. And I'm also grateful for the reviews that all of you have written online, which helps us to promote our training programs. And one thing I can tell you that all of you will remain in our prayers, and all of you will go on to do wonderful things in lives. And all of you will be great success, and you will be an asset for the organization that you work. And as you go along in life, remember us also somewhere.